Hello guys, today we are going to learn about volumetric and gravimetric feeder. Let's see a quick video of how feeder works. Now let's look at volumetric and gravimetric feeder. Gravimetric and volumetric feeders are both used to dispense materials in various industrial processes, but they operate on different principles. You can see in the diagram. To use a volumetric feeder, the user must know the rate at which an ingredient must be dispensed into a process and how much volume that weight represents. To set the rate in a volumetric feeder, the user turns on the feeder auger and brings catching samples in a container for time period. After each catch, the user weighs the sample and then adjusts the auger speed up or down until the feeder delivers the correct amount of ingredient into the sample container. The sampling process must be repeated each time that there is a change in bulk density or a change in ratio of ingredient in the process. Now, in gravimetric feeder represents a significant improvement over volumetric feeders. They utilize a computer and a load cell that continuously records the weight of the feeder and its content. See here, you can see the load cells and the weight of the, here are the load cells and the weight which is being measured. Now, when the user inputs a given dispensing rate, the computer automatically calculates the rate and begins the releasing the ingredient into the process. Simultaneously, the load cell reports the loss in weight of the feeder and remaining material, enabling the computer to continuously calculate and control the amount of material being dispensed. So in gravimetric feeder, the additional load, the load is being calculated by the load cells and the computer adjusts the rate of the speed according to the weight on the belt. Now let us look at some of the differences between volumetric and gravimetric feeder. So the basis of measurement. On the basis of measurement, gravimetric feeder measures and dispenses material based on weight, whereas volumetric feeder measures and dispenses material based on volume. So gravimetric feeder is more accurate as compared to volumetric feeder. Second point, gravimetric feeder is highly accurate as explained above. They continuously monitor the weight of the material being dispensed, whereas volumetric feeder is less accurate compared to the gravimetric feeders as they rely on estimations of material density. Now, third point is cost. Gravimetric feeders are more costly upfront but can lead to cost savings by minimizing material waste and optimizing production efficiency, whereas volumetric feeders are more cost effective initially and simpler to use. Another point of comparison is operation. Gravimetric feeder utilizes a load cell and a computer to automatically adjust the dispensing rate, ensuring precise control, whereas volumetric feeder requires manual calibration and adjustments to ensure the correct amount of material is dispensed. Applications. Gravimetric feeder is ideal for processes requiring high precision, such as in the production of high-performance plastics or medical-grade materials or dispensing of coal in power plants, whereas volumetric feeder is suitable for processes where precise weight is less critical and material characteristics remain consistent. Thank you.